Tired of slow, unreliable tire inflators? Meet the Milwaukee M18 Inflator 2848-20. Experience lightning-fast inflation anywhere, anytime. Imagine this. You're on a road trip. A tire's low, no gas station in sight. You grab your Milwaukee M18 Inflator. No cords, no hassle, just pure portability. It's optimized for passenger and light truck tires. Perfect for SUVs, pickups, and family cars. Even handles other medium-duty tires with ease. Let's break down the features that set it apart. Fastest 18V cordless inflator on the market. Top off a 33-inch light truck tire in under 1 minute. No more waiting around at the roadside. Digital pressure gauge for pinpoint accuracy. Set your PSI, hit start, and relax. Automatic shutoff prevents overinflation. Built tough, Milwaukee quality you can trust. Cordless design means true grab-and-go convenience. Take it camping, off-roading, or to the job site. Inflate bike tires, sports balls, and more. Includes all-brass Schrader chuck for durability. Inflation needle and nozzle for versatility. Presta chuck included for bikes and specialty tires. No more searching for the right adapter. Everything you need is right in the box. Powerful M18 battery platform, reliable and long-lasting. Works with all Milwaukee M18 batteries. LED lit display for clear readings day or night. Compact size fits easily in your trunk or toolbox. Lightweight design, carry it anywhere effortlessly. Never get stranded with a flat again. DIYers keep your projects moving without delay. Outdoor adventurers stay prepared on every journey. Vehicle owners enjoy peace of mind on the road. Save time, no more trips to the gas station. Save money, maintain perfect tire pressure yourself. Protect your tires and improve fuel efficiency. Fast inflation means less downtime, more adventure. Accurate readings ensure safety for your family. Upgrade from old, slow inflators, feel the difference. Transform your roadside emergency into a quick fix. Professional-grade performance. User-friendly operation. Engineered for reliability in any environment. Rain or shine, the Milwaukee M18 delivers. Trusted by pros, perfect for everyday drivers. Experience the freedom of cordless inflation. No more tangled wires or searching for outlets. Inflate tires, balls, and more. Anywhere, anytime. Ready to upgrade your inflation experience? Don't settle for slow, outdated inflators. Choose Milwaukee M18 Inflator for speed and accuracy. Take control of your tire maintenance today. Stay safe, save time, and be prepared. Order your Milwaukee M18 Inflator 2848-20 now. Inflate smarter, go further, choose Milwaukee.